This is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enable the higher resolution mode on this device. So first of all, you will need to obviously launch the camera, then enter the photo mode. Onwards, tap at these three lines over here, scroll the modes list to the more section and tap at the 50 megapixels mode. So let's take a picture inside the 50 MP mode, and then the same picture using the regular photo mode. And after that, I will show you the difference between the photo details in terms of resolution. So this one I took using the regular photo mode, and here's the resolution and file size. And if I will open up the 50 megapixel photo, you can see that the specs of it are much higher. And it basically means that your photos will get higher depth, increased resolution, improved quality, enhanced quality rather, and overall the picture will be slightly better, but it comes at the expense of such photos occupying significantly more storage space. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.